Hi, こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about, have you ever seen it? This strange dot in Japanese text. Okay? So, have you ever seen this strange dot in the middle of Japanese sentence? If you read authentic Japanese sentences, maybe you've seen this one before. Yes, so this is called nakaguro, but no worries. Not many Japanese people know the name of this dot, but we use them. Okay, and this one is very useful in Japanese text, but maybe you've never read in your Japanese textbook. So I'll explain how we use this. So the first one is in the middle of katakana words. So let's recap. So we use katakana letters to write foreign words. Yes. So, but in authentic Japanese text, we don't use a gap between each word. Okay. So in English, you write, for example, person's name, the surname, first name, and then surname, family name, and then you have a gap between them. Yes. And then in your primary school or elementary school, all the teachers told you, don't forget the finger space, don't forget space between each word. So, in English or other European languages, you use a gap to show, the separation of each word. Yes. So, but in Japanese language, we don't have it. So when we write katakana words in as a one noun phrase, we use this dot. Yes. So, for example, this one is Lionel Messi. Can you guess who he is? Yes, Lionel Messi. Yes. So this is the first name for him, and then this is the surname, family name, and then in English or in his language, you use the gap between them, but we don't have, so that's why we use this dot to show a gap. These are different units. So this is the first name, this is the family name. So to show it, we use dot. So in katakana words, we use dot to show a gap between each word. Okay, and the next usage we use this dot is listing. Okay, well, when we list some words in a sentence, we use like to. Yes, coffee to紅茶をください. For example, yes, please give me coffee and tea. Yes, but as a notification board or like poster, brochure, when we mention several things as a list, we use this dot. For example, this one is coffee dot紅茶dot juice. So it may be, for example, the menu of the restaurant. You can find these options as a drinks, and then you can find dot to separate each word. Alright? So today I'm talking about this strange dot in Japanese text. It is called nakaguro, but no worries, you don't have to memorize the name of this one because not many Japanese know it. And then we use this one to show the separation between each word in katakana, or when we mention some list in a notification. Alright, hope it helps. See you next time. さよなら、またね。